Hi tutorials and welcome to the 4th Google SketchUp Make 2013 tutorial. Today we're going to get now close and technical by making some teacups and some butter. So, let's begin. You should have made the table from the previous lesson. If you haven't, go and do it now. So, what we want to do is we want to make the butter. So, we can just make a rectangle. Make it that. And we just pull it up. Actually, no, we don't want to do that, actually. We want to offset it a little first, so we can make the wrapper. So we click on this thing here, and we just drag. Well, that's scale, not offset. This is offset. Just want to make it a little bigger. Not about that much. And so now we pull it up. We make it. That's about butter. And we can color it yellow. Where is yellow? Good. Now the whole entity is painted, and we can paint the wrapper in sort of greeny color. But does that really look like butter? Well, it only looks like butter if it's either very cold butter and it's sort of got rotten with the black bits on the end. We don't like this. We want to remove them. So we erase, and no, we're not going to erase it like that. Nope. We're going to smooth it. So press Control and then erase. See what happens. Try not to get it on the table. Here. Erase. Smooth, 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 smooth. Orbit around. And we're finished. We've made our butter. The butter was quite quick and easy to do. Let's add some more butter. Didn't do that in the original, but I think I'll do it in this version. So we just click on the thing, copy, put somewhere, paste, put some butter here. Copy, paste, put some butter here. Copy, paste, put some butter here. And this butter, we just want to rotate this butter, so we click on the protractor, rotate till we click on this. We'll just rotate it around. Go back to that. Whoa. Nope. Right click on this. Rotate it around. Like 90 degrees. Like that. Good. That's our butter. You'll notice when you click on this, you're not actually clicking on two things. You're actually clicking on one thing, because when you smooth something, it becomes part of that entity, which we'll explain more later. For example, it isn't a cube with paper on it. It's actually it's actually completely different, because it's actually part of the entity. So it sort of made a group for us. Now, once you've made, if I merged this with this, I couldn't copy it anymore, because then it become part of the table. Move this a little. There. So we want to make our teacups now. The teacups are going to be harder to make. We're going to start by drawing a circle here. That's too big. Make a circle here. This is going to be, now we pull it up a little. Now we're going to orbit around, and we're actually going to zoom in quite a lot. We're going to get up close and technical with this. And we kind of a wooden cup of teacup, of course. That'd be sort of ridiculous. No wooden teacups, not allowed. Okay, this actually is too high for a teacup. Or should I say mug? This isn't really, it's going to be more of a mug. That's about right. And what we're going to do is we're going to zoom over it using orbit. And we're just going to offset it a little. Inside. So we sort of get the rim. And now we're going to push this bit down so we've made the rim. Not that silly. This. We're gonna push this back up later, but we'll go into that more later. So the next step is to not color it, no, to make the handle. And this is the hardest part, the handle. So what we're going to do is we're just going to zoom in onto it. Zoom. Orbit. Okay. So now that we've done that, we can do the next step. We can go in there, looking in there, go from here, on edge to another on edge, so it's aligned with that. Not like that, because that'll give you some problems. From on edge, lines with the blue axes. We'll just make it small. On the green axis. Okay, that's not working. Try that again. The curve tool is very fussy. Give us a way to just pop into 3D for now. It's just a curve tool. Okay, that looks about right. In fact, it is right. Right enough for us. Yep, it's fine. So now we're going to pull this down. Actually, no, we're not going to pull it down. We're going to offset it a little. Is the main thing about this tutorial about offset? Probably. You're going to be using offset a lot. So you're just going to make it a little bit bigger. About that much bigger. Actually, no, that's about that much. And we can click. Now we click on this bit here. And we click on the eraser. Erase. Or press delete. Or erase. Press delete. And that's done. Now we're going to do something unexpected. Are you going to follow me it? No, very well, because that could lead to an unexpected result. Because I can't extrude in a curved face. Even if we tried really, really hard, I'm gonna press follow me. I did warn you it's not gonna work. Okay, the first, and now actually we're gonna orbit around, and we can cut some unnecessary thing here, so we can erase that. No, that's a bit weird. What's going on here? Okay, we can erase that bit. And why can't we erase these bits? Oh, that's why. We just want to shift. Okay, so I can't get rid of those lines, so that shouldn't be too worrying. No, we're not. Okay, so I told you that we weren't going to follow me. We're going to pull it. Surprise! But not very much. A little bit on each side. We're going to pull this. Okay, I think I figured out why we can't pull it. If you take a direct view from the top, there, it's not fully. Should be able to pull this. Ah, yeah, we can. There we are. A little on each side. On this side. And we pull it a little. Yeah, boy. Okay, that's done. But we're not done. Not really a teacup handle. We need to smooth this. You've probably guessed that this tutorial is mainly about smoothing and offset. which is actually, you're actually correct. It's also about components. True. But we won't get onto that yet. So now we want to get these materials, and we want to color this teacup. We're going to color a yellow. Where is my, I'm sorry, orange, dark orange. Whoa, not that. We want to color the inside white, of course. And we want to color this, the orange red color. Yep. And so now I've got a teacup that's orange red. But what's a teacup good useful without tea? So I did warn you that we were going to be pulling this back up again. Cause, yep, I'm going to push this up a little. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. There. Push, pull up a little. And we're going to color this brownie color. Cause I did, what's good is a tea without Peru. Now orbit. Push, pull. And I've got a pretty realistic looking teacup. But now we want to make 3 of these teacups. So we don't want to make them again and again and again. That'll be so slow and time consuming. No way. No way am I doing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. Now we're going to click on and we click on make component group. Now I've got this group called teacup. Copy paste. Copy paste. And we zoom out, we orbit around. And right now we've got some pretty cool looking teacups. But wait, we want to rotate them a little, so we can just rotate. A little. Actually, nah, we're good enough. Well, if you've managed to do this successfully, well done, you've actually finished making teacups. And now if we zoom out, because we're currently really too small, that worked. And we click somewhere else, or I'll pointer. We're finished. We've made this table of butter and teacups. Now, why you need butter and teacups on a table, I have no idea. Maybe they're holding this big function or something. Maybe we should add some bread or something. But, you know, it's pretty good. And I guess now, thank you for watching, and goodbye. Peace.